Hello guys, today we are seeing a semi-trailer we made for the African market. We made this trailer for the Sino truck, so they export this trailer to the African client. This is a very simple, very normal cargo trailer with a drop side, removable fence in the left and right side. In the front, we have a brick block panel. It will prevent the cargo go to the front and hit the driver. This brick block panel is also removable. We use bolt to fix it after it arrives, but before we deliver it, we probably need to release the panel and pack it like this way to save the shipping cost. We use the coupler connecting valves, coupler connectors to the prime mover, to the tractor. The red one is always with the air pressure inside, and the yellow one is the control line. When the driver press the brake button, the press signal with like a impulse goes through the yellow pipe to the valve. At the bottom, we have the kingpin. And the kingpin they are choosing now this time is the welded type 3.5-inch kingpin. But usually the client would choose bolted type. If we use the bolted type, we can remove the 3.5-inch and change it to a 2 inches kingpin, so it can change a different size to adapt the different size of fifth wheel. To see the bottom, we can see the landing gear. Only one side operation. This is the left side of the trailer. So many people ask me, how do you tell the left and right side? Let me explain this in this video. So you can see the operating side is in here. So you face to the front, the trailer's front. Then you check the operating side. If it is in your left hand side, so it is in the left hand. This is how we tell the container and trailer size. To see continue, we can see a water tank. It can also for the fuel or diesel for the prime mover for long distance traveling. Here is the pipe connecting with the tank. After side is the side protection. Let's see how we open the drop side. If we open this one, and this one, then we can move the drop side to the downward. And here we have a pin, 2 pins over there. If we open that one and that one, then the fence can open from the rear to the front. It is also here. This one is opening from the front to the rear. For the tire, we always use this type of tire because the semi-trailer axle is not a steering, is not driving at all. So those pattern and that size of the tire is quite normal. This size, the tire size is 315 R22.5. Here is the suspension. Let's go to the bottom and see what's going on there. Okay, here is the bottom of the trailer. We can see the braking line haven't been connected yet. We shall do it later. This is the leaf spring, and that's the suspension, and that's air chamber. Okay, so after we come out, we can see the rear of the trailer. It is also combined drop side and left to right open fence, and the light here. The light here is having a braking line, turning line, reverse line, fog light, and this is a ratchet. A ratchet fix a rope on it and then use a rod to move it, then you can make it stronger and stronger to make sure your rope has been fastened. This part is the, how to say, it's the rubber part to prevent the drop side hit the panel here. Prevent it won't be damaged steel to steel, it's steel to the rubber to observe the shocking. These are the 3M reflecting tapes. So it would reflect light in the evening. If we continue go to the front, we can see a 2 box here, 2 box over here. It is not big, but it is okay for the driver to store some jags, some wood. They usually put wood here. You can see here we have a triangle position. They really put the big strong wood here because the driver would need a lot of logs of wood to help them to do the loading and fasten. Here is the rope hook. This is a simple rope hook to tie your rope on. This is the other side of the landing gear, and you can see the landing gear is quite beautiful. The operation side is at that side. This side is only a rod. If we see the bottom of the trailer, we can see the bottom of the trailer is painted as black color. We already have 2 types of painting for our client to choose. One is we paint the same color as the top side looks like. Also, we have this type. We put the like a green color for this one, but here we change the color from here. So from here to the bottom, we use all black color as the chassis color because black is quite a good color to observe the mud, the dust when you use it. That's also one of the options. Okay, I think that's probably enough for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy our video and see you guys next time. Bye bye.